My name's Sarah and I'm from Under Pressure, and today we are going to cook some chicken fettuccine alfredo. So what we have to do is start with your chicken broth. We are doing 2.5 cups of chicken broth, give or take. Then we're going to take some heavy cream, also 2.5 cups. And we're all just adding it all together. No mixing required. And we'll just need a little bit more. Then we're going to take our fettuccine. This is a pound, so we're going to do probably about 1.5 pounds of fettuccine. And we have to break it in half and pour it right into our pot and make sure it's submerged in there as soon as we're done. And with having 3 kids, I'm sure all of this will get eaten. So then we're going to take some garlic powder. And we're just going to sprinkle it in. It's all depending on your taste. Some salt. Again, preference. And some black pepper. Yee boy. Well, that's the joy of cooking. We always get to see what we do. Might be a little peppery, but. Then we're going to add our diced chicken. And this is about 2 cups. And I have my spoon. And we're just going to submerge. And you know what? You can always add more liquid into your pot if you don't think you have enough. Which I'm thinking of adding more chicken broth because it just doesn't cover all of it. There we go. All right. That is all submerged in there. We're going to put the top on, lock it into place. Then we're going to seal it. After we do that, we are going to put it on manual for 7 minutes. And we will hit, and it will just start. Hopefully. There we go. Wait 7 minutes. And then we're going to do a quick release on it. We'll see you back in 7 minutes. Oh. Welcome back. Since we hit the 0 and this is a release, we're just going to do a quick release now. Gel steam. So be very careful because there is going to be still steam in there. I'll take a look at that. Now we're just going to stir it around a little bit. And it looks a little watery right now, but we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. So let me grab that. And the Parmesan cheese is going to thicken the sauce. And we're probably going to add, this is a 5-ounce tub, so let's add it all. have to feed tonight. So this is the perfect amount. And look at the sauce. It's getting nice and thick. See? Now you can add spinach, basil, tomatoes, really anything you would like as soon as it's cooked. If you like that kind of stuff with it, but we're simple and we like simple things. So that's our chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Hope you enjoy.